Hi everyone, so welcome to our channel. So in this video we can see what are the top 3 use cases of an perplexity. So let's get started. So number one use case, it is an we can get a high quality articles from perplexity. So we can write a prompt like write an article on benefits of AI in 25 in 300 words. So it can say like firstly you have to sign up for this. Yeah, so we can sign up. Okay, I think this is the best tool as compared to the chat gpt and deepseek. So we can give a prompt like write an article on artificial intelligence in 2025 in 300 words. Yeah, so it can give you high quality articles. So it is very beneficial and a very so it is very beneficial and to the point responses it gave. Yeah, yeah. So you can see that he written the articles very specifically. It also shows some bullet points for this article. Yeah, so that's very quite. Number two use case, it is an you can get a video script for YouTube channels. So let's say example, you have a YouTube channel of artificial intelligence. So you can give a prompt like write an video script on artificial intelligence for YouTube. So it can give you video script for your YouTube channel. Yeah, that's very good. So it is also fast. So you can see that. Yeah, so you can see that this is very good. Number three use case, it is an you can get video topics for YouTube channels. So you can give a prompt like write give some trending topics on AI for YouTube channel. Yeah, so it will give you the trending topics. So that's very nice. Yeah, here are some trending topics like AI powered agents, multimodal AI. So it is also very vast, very good. It's better than the chat gpt and deepseek. Yeah, so 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 these are the top 3 use cases of an perplexity. So if you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.